Hello guys, this is Rachit Singh. I am a desktop support engineer. Today I will show you how to increase your laptop speed and improve its performance. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Next, press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type temp and hit enter. Select all files using Ctrl plus A, then press Shift plus Delete to permanently remove them. Now press Windows plus R again, type %temp and press enter. Select all file and press Shift plus delete. If any file cannot be deleted, click escape. Now press Windows plus R again, type prefetch and press enter. Continue and select all file and press shift plus delete. Yes. Now let me show you a useful tools that can help speed up your C drive. First open the C drive. Now right click on the C drive and select properties. Next open the tool tab and click optimize and select C drive and click optimize and wait for the optimization process to complete. This can help improve your drive performance. Now select D drive and click the optimize button, and now select the E drive and click the optimize button and close this taskbar. Now the optimization process is completed. As you can see, the system is running more smoothly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.